Longer 4K Resin 3D printer, just 1 week on Kickstarter. Creality's CR-30 yesterday, already 100% and more backed, and also the Ifactory One belt 3D printer. Getting the latest news and updates right here on Zachary's 3D Prints. Hello, I'm Zachary and this channel is about 3D printing with tips, tricks, tutorials, how to, review, news, anything 3D printing or 3D printer related you can find right here on this channel. If you're new here and not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the notification button to get the latest videos right in your YouTube alerts. And thanks for being here. If you have some news related topics to bring on this Zachary 3D print news and updates, then tag me on Twitter, Zachary_Bergen. Thank you. The longer 4K Resin 3D printer on Kickstarter. It's just 7 days until the Kickstarter campaign is going to end. Well, this is a Resin 3D printer and you have them in two different kind of shapes. One is a color and the other one is in mono. So the orange 4K Resin 3D printer. This Resin 3D printer from Longer has a cover that you can take off without opening any doors or something like that. A standalone cover, and it has a 2.8 inch touchscreen and a plastic resin vat with scale, and also a simple leveling decline build plate. The printing volume of this Resin 3D printer is 118 x 66 x 190 millimeters, and it's equipped with a 5.5 inch LCD screen. Like mentioned, you have in color and in monochrome screen. Reaching a 4K resolution 812 ppi. In this Kickstarter campaign you still have some early bird prices. The early bird price for the color is $285 US, and for the cheapest one that you can buy at this moment is the early bird color. The early bird color is $285 US. And the estimated shipping date starts at December of 2020. I will put the link from the Kickstarter campaign in the description of this video, and if you want to know more about this Resin 3D printer, then please check out also my video about this Resin 3D printer. So the CR-30, the 3D print mill from Creality, or the Naomi Wu print mill. This is a Kickstarter campaign and started this Wednesday. Within several minutes, this project was fully 100% backed, and that is great. This is a 45-degree angled 3D printer where you can do some small batch production printing. You can print a lot of benches or a lot of calibration cubes or other 3D print parts like you can do on a normal 3D printer, but then over and over again without taking parts from the build plate, because the conveyor belt is going to keep continuing. So in this case, the CR-30 SE from Creality is 28 days or 27 days on Kickstarter, and you can also grab one of those machines. After the Kickstarter campaign, the price is going to be around the $1,000 US. So check the Kickstarter campaign out. I will put the link of the Kickstarter campaign in the description of this video. Up to the next 3D printer on Kickstarter. This one is the Ifactory One. Last week, just like the CR-30, I was talking about those Kickstarter campaigns, not knowing that both were going to be live on Kickstarter that week or this week. So the Ifactory One is a belt 3D printer and is coming from Germany. This 3D printer starts at a price of 749 euros and is going up. However, if you want to get one before the year ends, so a pre-Christmas delivery Ifactory One, as this one is called, you can pledge it for 999 euros. Because it is a little bit more expensive is because of the shipping method. They are going to make sure that some forwarder like UPS or DHL or some other forwarder is going to deliver this as soon as possible. On this Friday, I'm going to have an interview with Arthur Steffen about this Kickstarter campaign as well. So if you want to join the live stream or if you want to watch the live stream, please feel free to join. I'll put the link of the Kickstarter campaign in the description of this video. So to wrap up this video, as you can see, Zachary 3D prints news and updates bring also updates about certain topics I brought in earlier editions. Well, the 3D print, the belt 3D printers I brought last week, not knowing that one of them was also going to get live the day after. And the CR-30 3D print mill, the belt 3D printer from Creality, was also going live in the same week. Well, as for the longer Resin 3D printer, it's just 1 week to go. I'll put all links in the description of this video, so if you want, you can back those projects as well. Little disclaimer, Kickstarter is not a shopping site. However, those companies are bigger and certainly those are going to be shipped out. This video is supported by these Patreon supporters: Tony, Shannon, Loya Moses and Michael. Thank you for your support. You can also support this channel by supporting me on Patreon, getting some exclusive insights, early access to videos that are going to be released a bit later, and also some other things you and only the Patreon supporters will see. Thank you for your support. Please like this video, share this video with other people, and hey, let's make some fun with 3D printing. Zachary 3D Prints. Bye bye.